Hello students, welcome back. Let's resume section 3. Previously, we went through the standard linear inequalities like these using the same technique as before. Same basic strategy. Denominators, parentheses, like terms. Now, let's go to double inequalities like these. We have some fractions, so let's increase the font. Okay, all right. How do we handle this kind of problem? Okay, copy and paste. Okay, one way to handle it is to take this inequality and that inequality separately and then get those two together and then take the intersection A and B. Yes, you can do it like that, but that's an overkilling. It's going to be much easier if you do this together as a double inequality. How do you do that? Well, remember step 1, denominator. Do you see a denominator? Let's remove it. Multiply by 2, multiply by 2, and here also multiply by 2. So what do you have? Negative 2, and then this 2 cancel out, 3 minus 5x, and then 18. Does it look good? All right, step 1 complete. Step 2, parentheses. Do you see any parentheses? No, not anymore. So, all right, let's go to like term. We're looking for x, interval of x. So there goes x term. Everything else is like term. Negative 2, 3, 18, they're all like terms. Non-x terms are all like terms. So we can get all those together. How do I do that? Well, let's copy and paste this thing. And then I don't need this emphasis anymore. And then subtract by 3, subtract by 3, and then subtract by 3. If I do that, this 3 minus 3, that's 0, so it goes away. And then in the end, change the side, change the sign. This positive 3 became negative 3 like that. Let's bring back this thread. So consequently, what do we have? Negative 5, negative 5x, 15, is it right? All right, now let's divide by negative 5. So negative 5 divided by negative 5. Negative 5 divided by negative 5, so x. 15 divided by negative 5. Make sure you change the direction of the inequality because you just divided by a negative number. And what is this? 1 is x negative 3. Is that it? 5 divided by negative. Yeah, that's it. So there goes the answer, but usually it's better if the smaller number goes to the left and larger number goes to the right. I don't need this many spaces here and there. Consequently, we get the interval expression like this. Between 83 to 1. something is not right. -1, 3 minus 5x, 2, 9, okay. And then indeed, between -3 and +1. Okay, how about the next problem? Okay, here's the setup. And stop the playback and do it on your own. Let's see, all done? Okay, let's check. What do I multiply to kill off all the denominators here? In this case, the LCD is 12, 3 times 4. So multiply by 12. And then multiply by 12. And here also multiply by 12. Okay, next. 12 divided by 3. -4. And 12 divided by 4, that's 3. 2 times 12, that's 24. All good so far? So step 1 complete. No more denominator. Now step 2, do we have parentheses? Previously, we didn't have to worry about parentheses, but this time we do. We do have parentheses, so let's break it up. -4, and then 9 minus 21x. How's that? Distributing 3, we get 9, 21. Okay, next. From here, I have to push this 9 to the other side. How do I do that? Subtract 9, subtract 9, subtract 9. Now here in the middle, 9 minus 9 is 0, so it goes away. And then here in the left hand side, -4 minus 9. No, let's just keep it like that. And then let's just take an extra step. -13. Wait a minute. I didn't erase it completely, sorry about that. -21x. And then that is 24 minus 9, 15. Did I do the math correctly? I hope I did right. Okay, now divide by -21. -13 over -21. X 15 over -21. I'm dividing by negative numbers, so the direction of the inequality is changed. And then over here, what do I have? 13 over, as a matter of fact, no, not really. Let's change the direction in the standard order. 15 over 21, negative of that, x, and then -13 over -21. Let's see, these are positive. And this one here, I think I can simplify this. Divide by 3, so this is 5, that's 7, Now, as a matter of fact, and let's keep it like this, and then let's simply take an extra step. Okay, looks like that's the end of the problem. We have strict inequality here, semi-inequality there, so we have half open, half closed interval to begin with. So the final answer was in that form as well. Let's see. Is that right? Yes, that's correct. We have -5/7 and then 13/21. Yes, everything is right. So here is the solution to that double inequality problem. Okay, there you go. That completes section 3.